Hey everyone, Raina once again, another pick a card reading video. So today we are going to check the love reading, what kind of love messages we are supposed to get through our tarot deck. Since this February, it's a love month, so why don't we check the love messages? I'm very sure these love messages are going to help you. Keep in mind it is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate. So keep it whatever resonating and just release remaining to the universe. If these messages you feel it is related to someone known to you, somewhere it is matching to their requirement, definitely do share with your friends and family. Don't keep it pending. So before starting the video, I would like to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining our community and all the very best to each and everyone who all are watching this video. May Lord Ganesha shower lot of blessings to all of you. The relationship is going to be harmonious and it should be great. So do enjoy your all types of relationship. It is not only the couple relationship, all relationship with each and everyone, it should be harmonious. So with this hope, let's start the reading. So today, since I could not found out anything, so I just took the brush, because how to select the which deck you are going to be, which is going to be your reading. So here in front of you, you are having this green color. You can see green, blue and brown. Whichever color you are drawn to, you can select, and according to that you can check your reading. Here again I am going to use multiple decks and we will see what messages these cards are giving to our this coming time. So let's go ahead. First I am going to start with the green shade. So now I am going to pull card for the green. If you have selected green, so these messages are going to be for you. Let's see what messages our tarot is giving. What love messages we are getting this green shade. Let's find out. Let's see. One more take. Now let's see what message. One is Cupid. We started with the Cupid, beautiful message. Another is silence, another the wish fulfillment. I'm just pushing here. Next message we are having second chakra, Archangel Ariel. We got the Hanged Man as well. And we got the far away places. Get ready for the new horizons. So let's find out what the message it seems to be. I think all cards are visible. All right. So here people who have selected green, for you guys, definitely I feel you need to be very, very positive towards your relationship. Might be relationship as of now you feel it is not working, or the person you were thinking that person should respond, the person is not responding, person is not giving you a positive response, or you people are not compatible. Compatibility issue right now you are facing. But definitely here the cards are saying be confident, be hopeful from inside, because this silence is nothing but your wish fulfillment card. And how your wish will be fulfilled, you need to be positive and silently you need to observe and understand the situation. You need not to be very active, because if you are active, so there is a chances some wrong step you can take. if you are in a position or if you are in a situation wherein some decision you have to take related to relationship, I think this is not a correct time. This hanged man clearly it is saying just hold on as of now, this is not a good time. Get at least 11 to 12 months more to understand the scenario. Later on you are going to have great changes, or whatever the outcome will come, definitely it is going to be in your favor. But this time duration which I am talking about, in this duration you have to learn many things. Definitely you are going to face lot of ups and down. Here can you see cloud is there, sky is there, and things seems in between, things are like it is not clear. But here on the third eye place you can see there the moon is sitting on that. So intuition, your intuition is going to play a major role. So follow your intuition and do not activate too much to yourself. You need to be silent, you need to be I will say still for some time. Be still and try to understand what is going on around. And after some point of time, you will be in this position. You will be on top. From there, you can see everything what is happening down. So the situation will be clear after some point of time. So nothing to worry. Right now situation seems to be, or might be you are thinking right now I need support from my partner, people, but that support you are not getting. It doesn't mean the person is going to be dishonest with you or the relationship is not going to work out. I think another chance it is asking to you, just give it to your relationship. So this is a kind of buying the some more time, and do try to understand, do try to work on your situation. Here the Cupid, when it came, definitely it is talking about please work on your love life, work on your the way you are responding to your mind, the way you are responding to your heart. So be awaken and just treat yourself also with lots of love, because definitely you deserve love and you are going to get it. But first you have to learn love yourself, and then only the other person will also give you the same kind of energy. Here we got the message second chakra, Archangel Ariel. This is the basic chakra in our body, and when it will be disturbed, lot of insecurities will come. So for these many people, I really feel people are insecure, as this card also was showing nothing is happening or things are at halt. No positive response is coming, just confusing time. Lot of confusion is there, lot of conflicting time is going on here, the 36 number. So one person, the partner needs to be quiet, needs to still, so that this conflict or argument should not be strengthened, because you are not supposed to simply stretch the any argument or any negative situation. Later on the same thing, it is hurting you also, it is impacting your life also, that you know that already. Now another message we got, get ready for new horizons, far away places. Here as I told you, just wait 11 to 12 months, because some clarity definitely it is coming into your life. If things are not moving, things are at halt, it doesn't matter, things will not improve. Do the healing to your second chakra, do take care of yourself, your own security, your own respect. Self respect is very very important, self importance is very very important. Once you will learn this art, definitely your time is going to get changed. For many people who have selected green, I am strongly feeling some traveling, definitely it is coming through the waters or something like that. But definitely this traveling is there. It's a it could be a short trip, but definitely somewhere traveling you are going to have. And wherever you are going, I think the basic amenities, the veggies, the greenery, it is going to be there. And watery places, definitely it is going to be. So what I mean, some people may have some celebration or something where you can consume the liquor also. Lot of watery energy is there, liquor also. And when you are consuming this, or when you are going to some emotional places, watery places, you will become more emotional. You will start thinking about the negative thing. That's the reason this Cupid has come. Please love yourself, give yourself also love, then only the same kind of energy you are going to attract from the others. Somewhere this green people, I really feel little uh, stressful time definitely must be happening around, or within short span of time it may come. But again, if you are balanced, if you are healed properly, this card has come for the healing. I think your situation is going to be great. You shall be able to manage the situation. Some people are going to have travel or something, so during the travel your situation may improve. Some new I will say some love feeling, some intimacy, that kind of thing may develop, and you are going to have great time. So if you are planning to go out, if you are planning to go on some trip or something, do not postpone, go for that. Situation now, if it is not improving, with small steps you will see after some time you will realize the situation is improving, or at least you are having the clarity whether you should hang on with this person or not, or how to deal this situation. Because quitting and leaving is not a solution. If you are quitting and leaving any relationship with a lot of respect and faith, then this separation is not going to create negative karma into your life. But if you're just hurting others and simply leaving just because you are not happy, then it will create a negative karma, because you are not happy, because you do not want to be happy. So you should learn whether you really wanted to be happy or not. Make yourself happy. Do small things, do the meditation, learn the art of gratitude, do heal your second chakra by doing yoga, meditation, and by staying with positive people. Do avoid negative people, because they will create a kind of uh, different they will just work as a catalyst into your life, and it will create a blast in your relationship. So don't be in with the negative people, because they are here to have fun by just seeing your painful time. Be with positive people and do not discuss your negative situation again and again, because if you chant your negative situation, the same situation will again getting repeated. So this is the reason we should not chant the negative thing. Instead, think for the positive thing, think for the good thing. If you are not happy with the person, try to spend time with the nature, try to spend time with the children, try to spend time with the near the water body. This will help you in healing. So this is the message for you, the green people. Nothing very sad. Now the situation seems little I say not clear, or things doesn't look nice, but situation will be changed after some point of time. Keep on working on situation. And here the cards never ever is indicating you should quit and go. So I think you should give one more try and make yourself happy. So this is the message for you. Now I'll move to the blue shade. Now I shall be pulling card for the blue color. So if you have selected blue, let's see what are the messages are coming for you. What my cards are showing, and what actually you want to listen. Any guidance? What is the best guidance we can have through our cards, so that our love life is going to be great? Let's see. So this is the card. Okay, let's see what is the message. Listen. Okay, what next? Infinite abundance. This is something very beautiful. Healing. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron and the Fool. Okay, so here definitely people who have selected blue in your life, something new definitely it is going to enter. You must be struggling since long in a relationship. So this is going to be a new relationship, all right? Or existing relationship you are going to start again. Might be things were not working, or you have decided somewhere you are not going to proceed in this relationship. Might be some decision making it was going on and you are not able to communicate. Can you just see here? Keep quiet. Here the message is. So somewhere you are not able to communicate, but everything was happening in your mind. You were about to take some decision, or might be already it was there in your mind. This is the message it is talking about. Start your relationship again, because ups and downs are the part of a relationship, but your love life, it is going to groom in the coming time. Whatever it has happened in the past, just try to understand why the things has happened, why the things were not working. If it was not working, either of the partners, they don't have the ability to listen others, they don't have ability to understand others. So if you'll just keep on talking, you won't be able to pay attention to the others activity, what they are saying, and you won't be able to understand what other side of the person wants to convey to you. So there is a communication gap simply, and just because of communication gap, little disturbance or something is happening. Another thing here, intuitively what I feel, the third person interference also I can see here, where the third person is playing their role and you are not able to do anything in your relationship. So somewhere such kind of thing also, such vibes I am getting in this spread. Here the healing is saying definitely you have to heal. What you have to heal here, the upper side and the lower side, this your navel area and your third eye and your throat chakra. So why this third eye and throat chakra? Basically your intuition is helping you, but somewhere you are lacking, you are not able to communicate with your intuition. You are confused, and going by the others words. You are not at all using your brain, you are not at all using your the vocal skill also. So what I mean here, you did not get opportunity to speak wherever you wanted to speak. So what the situation has happened, you couldn't communicate well, or your partner couldn't communicate well, and the third person or your partner or the family people, I guess, they had created little communication gap, and the situation seems little harsh. I won't say much hard, because we are having free will to just change our time. Yes, so definitely we can heal ourselves, we are having ability. But if you do not want to heal yourself, no one can heal you. So this should be your decision. Now if I'll just come to the sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron, what you can do, you can just meditate with Archangel Metatron. He is responsible for healing or of your sixth chakra. Sixth chakra is nothing but your third eye, your sixth sense. Here I said this third eye and your throat chakra, and here your navel area needs healing. So your base, your grounding is weak, so somewhere that healing is required. And here you are not able to communicate what you wanted to speak, so your throat chakra is not healed, some blockages is there, and your sixth sense definitely it is not helping you wherever you wanted to use that. But once you will heal yourself, once you will connect to this Archangel Metatron or any deity you are drawn to, just meditate on your third chakra, meditate on your navel area. It is going to help you a lot. So if you know Reiki, definitely you can take the help of Reiki, or wherever you are sleeping, the bed, bed right side, you can keep the salt, one full bowl of salt in the night, and morning you can dispose of. So like this you can do for the next 6 days continuously. Why 6 days? I said here the sixth chakra healing, it is very very important for you. Once your intuition will be healed or balanced little bit, you would be able to use your throat chakra as well, because one by one your chakra is going to be healed, and one by one you will be able to understand how to proceed further. Now once you are healed, you understand what is happening and you are having control. Some physical issues also I can see, just because of physical issue, or might be, I don't know, for some people I feel there is no physical contact between the couples, between the partners. That is also creating little stress between the partners. I don't know why this kind of thing I am getting, but somewhere one partner is not well physically. That's the reason you people are not having a good time altogether. But here, infinite abundance, what they are just saying, abundance is pouring into your life. So this card is giving you lots of hope. So basically, heal yourself, initiate for the communication, initiate, express your feelings. And even if it is a new relationship, definitely something new is going to pop up, some new attraction. If you must be dating since long, this may be materialized very soon. Very soon, if I would say, definitely like within 15 to 20 days timetable I can just give, timeline I can give, and there you will see how the things are working in your favor. But somewhere one person is not clear, one person needs medication because health issues are there. If there is no I will say, if you are a couple and there is no physical communication since long, so that is also creating a stress. So work on that issues also, because that's a part of life that you cannot avoid. And family, abundance, outing, enjoying time, this is very very important. Somewhere this gathering you are missing and your partner is missing, and once you people will get such company, definitely the time is going to be great. So I will say, go to some nature kind of place. Here you can see the some farm kind of place it is. Go there, spend little time, or go for the outing, have red wine or something, do enjoy your time. I think it is going to heal your situation. Here the Fool, I told you beginning itself, new things are coming, and new news is coming, new good news is also coming. I will say, for some people, I will say the kids or the other people are also there, might be they will come into your family, or some good time may happen. And just because of external people, might be you people are not able to communicate with each other. That is the another reason of the stress. But definitely here things will improve. Forget about the negative part, concentrate on the positive, because you got the very beautiful card. It's a family card, it's a company card, and when you will be with the people, with the good people, with your own people, and the surrounding also, it is helping you to heal. So this is going to help you fast, it is going to heal you very fast. This surroundings, this situation is going to help you a lot. Fool, definitely it is talking about somewhere you have to take risk. If the other person is not talking and you are thinking the person is avoiding, you can take a small risk and go and talk. There is no harm if you are expressing yourself. There is no harm in expression. You can go and express yourself. If the other side of the person is not liking, that's other person issue. At least you had expressed and you got the person's exact reaction. So if the things are not working, go ahead, uh, go into another relationship. But definitely relationship is coming, and this relationship is going to be quite adventurous. You are going to enjoy the time. But if it is a new relationship, please do not go to physical level very fast, because later on it may create little problem. That's what that healing card has come. This is for the new people. I really feel you shouldn't be in hurry, so just avoid that line. Otherwise, hanging out, outing, celebration, all are good for you. So new relationship, welcome your new relationship and understand your new relationship. Simply do not jump on the conclusion. Try to understand and then give your opinion, because being judgmental, that's not going to give you a solution. In fact, what will happen, the other side of the person will start getting hyper with your judgments, with your reactions. So better to be quiet and understand and do enjoy whatever the universe is dumping on you as abundance. Simply enjoy and have fun. A lot of resources are coming for you. I think the blue people, somewhere I feel you, the color also it is blue, so the color of healing, the cards are also blue here. A lot of the healing card we got. So the water remedy, it is going to help you. Affirm your water and have it, and do lot of meditation, do lot of healing. And I will say, do celebrate. Emotional healing is very very important for you, so make sure you are always happy. So always keep smiling. You will see, if you'll just carry this smile always with you, you will see the same kind of happinesses you are also getting from the others also, and it is going to heal you very fast. So this is the message for you. Now I'll move to the brown shade. Now I shall be pulling card for the brown shade. Let's see what is the love message for you. We are going to celebrate Valentine, and let's see what message, what our love life we need to know as of now when we are talking about love month, when we are celebrating love month. So let's find out what are tarot cards, what are oracle message. Something has already willing to come out, this card. Let's see the tarot message. Okay, so let's find out what is the message. First message is passion and pleasure. Lots of goodness, participation, I think new bonding, new relationship, new celebration, balance, giving and receiving, the balance again, adjacent possibilities, 24 number card, and we got 9 of Wands. Now let's see what all cards all together they are saying. So here to me it seems like, who have selected brown, you people somewhere relationship, either you are trying to protect from the other person, because here when I'll just look into this card, it's like you are tired of handling this situation. You are like you are bugged up with this situation, this relationship, or you are trying to protect your this, you can see your area. So as if you are trying to protect your relationship. Somewhere lot of wildness I can see in the relationship. Could be the one person is hurting you, some domestic violence kind of thing. Why I'm feeling domestic violence? Because whenever this Mars comes, so it is talking about a physical damage. So somewhere you are hurt physically, you are hurt, you are not feeling good, something related to blood issue, these kind of things are coming. So either relationship is not working well just because of one person could be very violent or something like that, one person is wild, one person is having habit of hitting others, or such kind of energies I am getting here. So this could be the basic concern somewhere I feel. But here again it is talking about this situation will end very soon. So if you really wanted to transform your life, and this is also card, it is indicating please transform your life, because the number 9, it whenever it comes, it is always make you to transform your life. It will trigger your feelings, it will trigger your mind, so that you can take any harsh decision. This harsh decision is going to be painful, but later on you will see these changes were very very necessary. So whenever Mars will come, it will try to make major changes. But again here relationship issues are there, but some of the people in this relationship, some good things are also going to happen. You may buy some land or something. I feel some celebration, definitely it is going to happen. Some good things it is going to add in your family. So somewhere whatever you are losing, some problems are there, so some good things are also coming. Here we got the passion and pleasure. So lots of celebration, definitely it is coming. You are going to enjoy the time also, but you should know how to make the balance. This giving and receiving, it is showing you need to be having balance. And how you can create balance, you are the right person who knows how to deal the situation. So simply don't stand and protect your territory. Instead, I would say keep on walking. I don't know, in this relationship, whoever is facing this relationship, I will say please increase the physical activity, start walking, so it will just reduce your stress also. So here this card is indicating keep on walking. The walking you can add as a tool for to detox yourself, I will say. So instead of standing, you are just standing, so you are having the health issues also, the legs issue. I will say the relationship, why here such problems I am getting. Another thing might be you are not the person of going out and enjoy, and your partner must be such kind of person, so kind of the lazy partner. So that habit, somewhere I think you have to work upon that. Another, this wand card, we got it over here. This is four of wands. This is the participation. You have to be mingle with the people, go and talk to many people, do go and connect to many people, and do celebrate. Here can you see the many people are there, so you have to go out and try to enjoy in public. Somewhere I think one person is not enjoying the public place. This is also a reason in the relationship stress is created. But otherwise, if the love message, I will concentrate what messages these cards are giving you to overcome. Can you see here the possibilities, opportunities are there for you. You can just, if any problems are there, you can just heal themselves by connecting many people, by going out, just do celebrate. Some new things are also coming, just call the people and celebrate. Do enjoy some dancing. Here I said some physical movement it is required, walking and all you can add. Here also you can see the person is dancing. So this kind of activity I think you need to add in your life. If any stress area is there, it will be help you, it is going to help you to get rid of all such stress. Here giving and receiving, it is talking about whatever extra you are having, try to release. I think you are holding too much. What is that exactly? You are holding too much in your mind and in your body. So toxic release, it is very very important. Please work on your health, because if you are not healthy, how you can expect your love life is going to be same. If you are lazy, if you are not well, so definitely your partner will be bugged up after some point of time, and you won't be able to protect your relationship. Because if you are not participative, here participation card has come, if you are not participative, definitely this person will start looking at some third person. So please do not allow. Here also I feel the third person shadow I am getting, but you can easily work on that by activating yourself. So be active. You must be feeling sick during this week or during this time, the coming time I feel, but I would say just go out, enjoy with the people. Some new things are also going to happen, might be new things you people are going to add. It could be a vehicle, it could be a furniture, or definitely you can go for some outing and celebration. But this is definitely some dance party, some gathering, some enjoyment kind of thing I feel. And lots of fiery energy I can see here. Here is fire, here is fire, and here is also we can see the fire. So little bit work on your attitude, your ego part, or I will say your please have and watch on your please have watch on your anger section also. Don't be overreactive, just deal the situation well, because you need balance. Here giving and receiving, it is talking about have the balance. Do little yoga, do little meditation, and Do not have lot of spicy food. Somewhere this lot of heat also, it is creating physical issues in your body. Just because of that, you are not able to live your day properly. So health issues, please pay attention to that. I don't know why I, in all the three cases, I got somewhere health issues. I think people are going through some mental, physical health issues. Just because of that, this relationship bonding, some problem is there. So just try to understand, if you are physically not balanced, definitely it is going to impact your love life. Either if you are physically not well, emotionally you are very disbalanced. When you'll go out, if the person says something harsh, immediately you will get hurt and you will think the person is not compatible with you, or the person is not giving importance to you. So please keep in mind and have care of your health. This is what I would say, because in all three sections I found this is common. And in general also, if I'll talk the astrologically or numerologically also, this time, this situation, it is like that, wherein health issues may pop up majorly your liver portion or your head portion. These areas are very very important. And blood related issues, definitely it may happen. Lot of anger you may get, because the situation is like that. And here the Mercury retrograde time is happening, so definitely the conflict immediately, this argument or the conversation will go to the negative level. So that also, it requires a balance. So that's the other reason I think we got the health issue card, because your brain, your throat and your heart, these three are going to play major role in your love life also. But otherwise, if I would say, I think celebration is there, company is there, balance is going to be created, and a lot of options are also coming. 24, it's a very good number, very positive number. Little problem definitely will be there, but you can overcome like this. So options are coming, the good things are also coming. It is up to you how you are going to utilize these possibilities, opportunities, because opportunities will come, it will stay in your house. But if you will not give I will say a value to these opportunities, you will not pay attention, it will go away very fast. So this part you have to take care. So this is the message for the brown people. I think for brown also, I feel a lot of good things are coming this Valentine or the coming time in their love life. New things will happen. A little bit care definitely it is required. Take care of your health or your partner's health. And please pay attention to the medication. And later on you will see your family is going to be great. I think one new member also can be added, because here I can see the participation. So definitely some celebration is going to happen. These both the cards of the celebration, new connection, the gathering, new member definitely may enter, and again it is going to make your love life very strong. So many people definitely, they must be expecting baby, or once the baby will come, you will see where the other end your love life is going to be more caring, more I will say it is going to be great. In one sentence, if I would say, it is going to be great. Right now, things are not that good, but there could be multiple reasons. So find out the reason, work on the reasons, and please heal yourself. Whatever extra you are having, if you are feeling okay, this thing I'm doing extra, if you are just training yourself for anything, start reducing that. Why you are just giving pain to yourself if you're not able to handle all these things? It is always good to share and leaving the things if you're not able to give your best, because it is finally it is impacting your brain, your health. And once you will be impacted, your surroundings are going to be impacted, and same energy you are going to attract again. So please work on that. And this is the message for these brown people. I think you people are going to have great time in your love life. I really wish all singles, please be mingle very soon and do enjoy your life. Do give respect to your new partner, new relationship, and pay gratitude to the universe and to the people also, people with whom you are dealing. People who are having issues in the relationship, I wish the relationship will improve very soon. And if still you are facing problem, you can just go and check on the channel some relationship bonding spell or the ritual must be shared that you can perform, and you will see the result within 10 to 15 days. That also going to happen. And still if you are having issues in the relationship, what you can do, daily bring one red rose and keep next to your bed, and you will see 31 to 41 days, make a cycle of 41 days at least, or 42 days, and you will see a drastic change in your bedroom life. This is really going to help you. So all the very best everyone, do enjoy your relationship and keep loving each and everyone. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and have a great Valentine Day ahead for everyone. Thank you.